Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Sean Specialties. So today we are making one of my favorite smoothie. It is a green smoothie. So what we have here is 3 cups of spinach, 1 stalk celery, 1 whole banana, an apple, and a lemon. So first we put the spinach in. Ooh, and that looks amazing. Okay, it's good. Now we put the stalk of celery in. And then you take the banana, well, you have to break this in half so it'll fit in. Then you have to take the banana, go all around, get all that skin off. Oh, that's just what I was gonna do. I was gonna break it and it already pooped for me. And now we put the apple in. And we get our lemon juicer and we squeeze all that good lemon juice out. All that good stuff. Good. And now we put the cap on. And I just need a napkin. Now, this is a Vitamix. I got it from Costco. Very good. So now you put it on. And you'll put it about maybe 6 or over. Then it's hot. You got a glass right here with a straw. It's a metal straw. Yeah, this company is very good. Now you take this off. Oh wow. Look at that nice green texture in here. Wow. So much lemon, so much celery. Good. And let's try this baby. Wow, you can really taste all those, the apple, the lemon, the spinach, and you can use kale instead of spinach, but I like to use spinach because it's a little sweeter. So like and subscribe my video. Hit the notification bell down below. The recipe with this will be down in the description below. And I'll see you next time. See you guys.